Hezzy,
Yeah?
like the farm?
Wow.
It's cool, huh, Hezzy? We're gonna go see so many things. You want me to hold it for you, Hez? You want me to hold it for you? No? Yes? Okay, go, Hezzy. Oh, Hez. Oh, wow, that's a lot of kids, Hez. Is it hard to get on? Oh, no. Hezzy, you have to try to run up there. Run, run, run. Where are we going next, Hezzy? Where are we going next? That one? What is it? Oh, let's go see, Hezzy.
No idea what it is.
Let's go see, Hezzy.
It's not a manifest. Dossie, you gotta take
This way, Hez.
My belly window.
It's called the Vortex. Here we go. Hold his hand. Oh, okay. It's totally safe. It's totally safe. It's totally safe. Oh my gosh. This is nuts. I actually feel pretty dizzy. I feel like I'm moving. I feel like I'm moving. Oh, just hurry up and cross, Selah. Just hurry up and cross. Sheesh. That was weird. Hezzy, you want to go back in there? You do? You want to go now?
I expected to walk on it. Nice hat.
I want to wait.
You want to wait? We'll wait. Yeah, I know. Was it dizzy? Did it make you dizzy?
Like to actually walk
Did you get scared? You want to go see the animals?
Yeah.
Let's go see the animals. Cool. Did you like the tunnel?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Our tunnel.
Another tunnel somewhere? Ooh. Hezzy, look it. They're ring-neck doves. Oh, nice. Oh, because they have a...
Oh,
There's the animals. Is that a rooster? Nice. Which way you want to go? Let's go. I think you have to go through that little area because it says employees only on this side. Okay, let's go through here. Let's go through here. And you get to see all the birds. All the different birds. Nice. Okay, cool. I see that bird from Rio. I saw the bird from the movie Rio. The pigeon. Who's this guy? Well.
No, that one's a peacock.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey. I want.
Now that's a turkey right there.
Rod.
Another tunnel. Okay. All right, Sayla, this is all you right here. This is all you right here, Sayla. Let's see what you can do. There's one. Okay, that would have been in. Nice. Almost. Good job. Not bad. What about you, Hezzy? Try, Hezzy. Woohoo! Okay, I want to try. Yard baseball. All right, Taylor, go for it. Hez, let's try this one, Hezzy. Oh, so close. So close. Try it again, Hezzy. All right. Kind of went to the other side, but it's okay. All right, let's try the barnyard football. Here, try this one, Hezzy. Here you go, baby. There you go. You ready? You want to try it, Sayla? Let's see. Close. Yeah. All right, so let's get this. You got it?
I got it.
Let's go, guy. Let's go, guy. Up here. Up here. Up here. Hezzy, no. Up here. Hezzy. Up here. Come on. Let's try this one. You ready?
Yeah. Oh no! Ah! No! No! Oh no!
One,
Oh no!
2. That was fun. And scary. Fun and scary. All right. Whoa. Oh, my favorite. Charlie Brown. Oh, these are your favorite too? Oh, my favorite.
Oh, T-Rex!
You see T-Rex?
T-Rex.
Whoa.
Mommy,
It's a giant T-Rex.
T-Rex. Look at this.
A T-Rex. Look at the T-Rex has a bird in its mouth. Go touch it, Hezzy. Go touch it. He's going by himself. That is so cool. Good job, Hez. Was that fun? Yeah? Big farm.
Lay it down. I want water.
Say thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
It's hot today, huh? Ice cream and water to cool you off. That pumpkin's $75. Look how big it is.